Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, June 14th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we didn't have a bad day today, but we did have some disappointments. We had about $5,000 positive open trade equity yesterday, and by the time we got out of that today, it was negative $3,000. That's quite a hit. Um, the thing that saves the day for us is we got into only 5 new positions. All 5 were positive, and we're carrying close to $8,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. We just don't want to have tomorrow have happen what happened today. But one of the things I've learned with markets that patterns almost never repeat themselves back to back. So we had this pattern where we had positive open trade go to negative today. We'll probably see our positive open trade become more positive tomorrow. That's just the way markets seem to work. So I'm not worried about it. Anyway, close to $8,000 going into tomorrow. That looks real good. As far as the Dow goes, I called it up. It did in fact go up. It closed up 45 points, and again closed at all-time record highs today. So the Dow is really moving. I'll show you some of the individual trades. We didn't have anything huge, but when everything is positive, you don't have to have anything real huge to get pretty good numbers. This first one is BioCryst Pharmaceuticals, BCRX. We bought this second hour. It kept going. Closed pretty close to the high there. And we have $1.6 thousand, $1,600 in BCRX. This is JGST, Inverse Gold, actually Inverse Gold Mining. We bought this getting pretty close to the end of the day. We got into this. Notice how this thing gapped down this morning, but it pushed hard all day. We got into it with about 2 hours to go, and it kept going pretty nicely there. And again, we have $1.6 thousand, $1,600 in JDST in open trade equity. And finally, this was the biggest of the day. This is DRIP, which is Inverse Gas and Oil Exploration, and we bought this second hour, big spike here, and it stayed up all day, and we have $2.1 thousand, $2,100 positive open trade in DRIP. So I'd call it a pretty good day in spite of the disappointing opening. Let's hope we don't have a disappointing opening tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.